So next we want to work on this our body. We have worked on the header. Now let's work on the body of the website. Now I want to add an image. So you can add whatever you want to add to your website. You can add an AI character, whatever image. Okay, so now we're going to add an image, an AI image, to make the website look more realistic. So come over image, click upload image. Upload from computer. So it's loading. Okay, this is our AI generated image. So we'll click on it. Okay, so this is it. So right now we're going to resize this. So let's crop it. Okay, so this is our image we have cropped. So just make it, shift it to the edge. Okay. Okay. So right now I'm going to insert a text. So let's write down something. Okay. Let's edit. Scroll down with text now that tells you more about this site. So I take it up, then I increase the size. Okay, so I'm going to increase the size. Okay, I think it's okay this way. Okay, so I'm going to leave it as this. Acquire digital skills today. So let's see, you can see how our website is coming up. This. Let's go with this. Let's just go with this. I think it's better this way. Okay. The next thing now that I want to add is button. So go to add element. Then click on button. Then gives you different kind of button that you can use. Let me see which one I can go for. Let's go for this. So I'm going to drag it over here, increase the size. Okay. So this is how it is now. So if you want to click on this button, you'll be directed somewhere. So let's just leave it at this first. So later on, we'll link this button to a page. Okay. After doing some work on the body, now let's go to the footer and make some few write-ups there. Okay, I'll come to add elements. I want to add text to my footer, so I click on text. I want to add like a copyright kind of, those things you see on your website, down below to show like a copyright kind of. Okay, so I'm going to edit text, take out this, take out what's written here. Okay, so I'm going to write the name of my website is Goswills Digital Skills. Okay, then into brackets C. C now stands for copyright. You understand? So, and what year would I write? This is 2024. So I'll write 2024. Okay. Okay, let's make this a small letter. Okay. Since it's on. Okay. I think that's all. Then we want to change this, the color of our write-up. This is black. This is also black, so it won't show. So we have to change the color. So like I said, I've dragged it down to the footer. You can see it's black on black background, so it's not visible. So what we will do is to edit the text. Click on edit, come here to color, white. Okay, now you can see it's visible. So we're going to leave it at that. Then place it well. Okay, I'm going to drag it down here. Somewhere here. Okay. Okay, we'll leave it there. Okay. So what next do we want to do? We want to add our social media platforms. So we'll come over here. Look for socials. Okay. So just hold on, let it load. Okay. So there are so many we can pick from. Because my background is black, I don't want it to also be black. I would have gone for this, but I don't want it to be black. Okay, so I'm going for this because my background is already black. So I'll pick this. Then I'll drag it over to this side. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there. I was afraid my TikTok is not going to show, but actually it's showing here. So what you want to do next is to link it up. Okay, so you come over here, set social links. So you enter your IG, come over here, then you enter your IG handle. So I just wrote this as my Gmail handle. You can write whatever you want. Click on done, come to Facebook. So I'll write my name. And click done. Twitter. Okay, so my Twitter handle. Once you are done, click on done. I can as well delete YouTube. This is in, I don't have this. So I'm leaving it at this. If I want, I can add icons to my socials. So I'm trying to add an icon to my socials. Okay, I have Blogger, so I'll click on Blogger. Okay, you need only one. Okay, so now I'm linking my Blogger now. I have to go to Blogger to get my link, so let's just leave that. We just leave that for now. So I'll click on done. Okay, these are all my socials. Let's go back to this our start button. So what I'm going to do now is to link the start button with my blog. So what I'm going to do is to, okay, it's on page, current window. So I'm going to choose from here. So I'm going to click on this, my blog. Then I'm going to click on done. Okay, sorry. So for we to access this, let's go to preview. Let's see what we have actually done on this website. Okay, so you can see what we have actually done on the website. So if I click on get started now, so it takes me to my blog, which is this. This is the only thing on my blog right now. So let's go back home. Okay, so you can see this is how the home is. We'll be writing a few texts on our home page so that once the viewer or member opens this page, you know what the page is about, what the website is all about. And in the previous text and images which we imported, we come over here to add elements. So now I'm going to add the text. So click on text. Click on text. Then go to paragraph. So you pick from here, how do you want the text to be like? Okay. So I've gotten a format for it. So next I want to edit it. So there are a few words I wrote about my site before, so I'll just paste it. Okay. Okay, just a few editing. I want to increase the size. Okay, so this is how it appears after the editing and all. So if you click this link, you'll be able to see the full article, a piece of what what the site is about, what the website is about. So after editing your write-ups, you want to add a link to the full. You know that this is not the full write-up, it's full text here. So you want to add a link to the full write-up. So I'm going to link this to my about page. Okay. So once they click on it, it takes them to the about page where they see the full write-up. So now let's look at what we have done. So we'll come to preview so that we'll see what we have done here. Okay, so I'm at the preview page where I can view, I can access the work I've done on my website to see if it's okay or not. Okay, so like I said, once the viewer or member or individual click on this link here, it takes them to the about page. This is the about page. You can see it's on blue. So we're currently on this page. So I've not done any work on this page. That's why it's blank like this. You see, that's why it's blank like this. Come to your about and paste that same text. Okay, you paste that same text. So this is it. So I have to edit it. Okay, so this is it. So I have to enlarge it now. So that's it. So I've worked on our bots now. So once you click that link, you come here and you read the full text. Here is where we are going to stop for today on this video. The next video I'll be teaching you how to add a membership page so that people can log into your website. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.